Hey, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and I'll show you how on these pull-out washing lines, how you make sure this line is tight so that you've got washing that doesn't sag and looks a bit like this. Get the reel and you need to pull it out and put it, in this case, loop it so it's still loose. Okay, so now you come to the other end of doing where you want it to look like is like that. So you rotate it round. It's still loose at this point, but all you're doing is leaving that loose there and just pulling that through, okay, till you feel it's tight enough in which you can then loop it over. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that again. So make it really loose, loop it round, then what you're doing is you're feeding this through as much as you can, bit by bit by bit, until this line that you've got in your left hand, this one here, you feel is tight enough. Once it's tight, let go of that, and then you've got a nice tight washing line. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe.